Yo, what's good everybody? Kieran Can't Yoyo here, back in another tutorial. In today's tutorial, got a super cool tech combo for you. Here's what it looks like from my perspective. Bang, that's what it looks like. A couple things for you into this video. Going to be using the Deviant Plus for this tutorial, and if you could subscribe, we're very close to 300 subs at the time of recording. I think I'm on like 270, so yeah, every sub helps. Anyway, let's get straight into this tutorial. So to start off with, you're going to create this slack like so, by pinching your thumb and your index finger as you roll in and out of an undermount, right? So bang. From there, you're going to need to create the chopstick. So to do that, you're going to get your thumb here and then just roll it around like so. Right, so this is the setup you need. That setup, you're going to, as you're unrolling out of this undermount, you're going to roll into the back of this chopsticks here, like so, going from the front, right, like that. Now that sounds quite confusing, but here's what it should look like altogether. Bang, right? From here, you're going to pinch with your index finger and thumb on your non-throw hand, and then just do a brother slack, like so. This sounds really confusing, but it's actually one of the easier elements of this trick. You're sort of aiming just to get it in this like loop closest to your index finger, right? And it should create this super like technical looking mount. You're then going to underpass the string that is connected to the yo-yo, right? You'll see how there's 3 strings. You're wanting to go for this one, which is connected to the yo-yo. Then you're going to underpass it so you don't actually land on it, by the way. You just want it to be hanging there. Then you can drop this string off your index finger, just the front one. And then you can pop off and land like so. I'll go over that one more time for you. So you've done your chopsticks, right? You're letting go of your thumb and you're popping off the front. And then you're just going to land on this super long, like, double string. From there, you can just pop off, unroll once, right? So you're rolling front to back, and then onto the green triangle.
Don't second guess me, so come a little closer.
Then you're going to pop off and just roll straight into the back string like so. And then you're going to unroll out, right, taking it out of the green triangle. And then continuing that arc, putting it back into the green triangle. But as you can see, because I've flipped which string is like in front, now you should land in just the green triangle which pops from the front, right? And I know this all looks and sounds very confusing, but trust me, it's actually a lot easier if you just try and take this element by element. But after you've done that final green triangle, you are then free to bind. So I'll go over it one more time for you. Pinch with this chopstick, into the back, slack, underpass with the thumb, let go of the index finger, pop and cross, unroll, and then once, twice, into the back, off the back, onto that front string, oh I missed, and then green triangle, and then you combined. And yeah, that is the whole trick. So if you've got any comments or anything, let me know down below. Otherwise, like, subscribe, and peace.
Silence in the background, violence in your eyes now. Remember that time you gave your heart to me. Remember that time when life was like a dream. You know what I know. You know what I know. I need to hold you close to me, to me, to me, to me, yeah. game that we play. I won't get away. We can find a safe place within our company, within our company, within our company. So come closer to me, come a little closer. It's been too long now. I think that I want to second guess you, I second guess me, I second guess them. Don't second guess me. So come a little closer.